30DYC, a yoga training system to create real and lasting results.
And all you need to do is find a comfortable seated position. You could also sit on a cushion if that's more preferable for you, to lift your hips if your hips are really tight. And just nice long spine, shoulders down and back, away from the ears, and the crown of the head lifting away from the earth. Just close the eye. It can dramatically impact the way that you feel on a daily basis, and that will improve every aspect of your life, I can guarantee that. And coming back to the center, just take the thumb and we'll press right into the muscles right here in the jaw area. Because when the jaw muscles are tight, it actually impacts the neck. Inhale, lift the heart, shoulders back. Exhale, round the spine, chin into the chest. One more time, inhale, lift your heart, shoulders, and to the right. This is 4. And then the last one. And back to the center. Now we're going to try full neck circle. If you